In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your iPhone microphone not working while screen recording. You can simply enable your microphone whenever you are screen recording in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of privacy and security. On this page, select the microphone option right here. Make sure to enable your microphone on all apps that allow microphone. Just push this button onto all apps to make sure your microphone is on. Then head into your control center. On the screen recording button, just long hold onto it. Select any app you want to screen record. If you wish to screen record across all apps, tap on the Photos option. Then after you will tap on this button and it will appear in red. Get back and start screen recording. Your microphone will be enabled and you can voice over your screen recording video. That's how easy it is to fix your microphone not working while voicing over a screen recording video on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.